My honors college project is a research paper on 3D printed prosthetics. I know there's people out there that have issues after surgery, or either they were born without limbs, and this is a more cost-effective way to utilize these sources in order to increase their quality of life. Within my paper, I did a special consideration for animal prosthetics. Animals have been important to me my entire life, especially dogs. And so within my paper, I did a lot of research on that. And so for fun, I printed this little dog leg. Basically, the leg goes in this way, and then there's treads on the bottom for them to walk. And then this is an idea of what a prototype hand could look like. These are not to size. If you were to download these from online, you could input them into any software and customize them based on your own measurements. And so this is what it looks like. This is the hand piece, this is the arm piece, and then these are all the fingers. And so these are connected by little bolts and pieces. Even this little prosthetic hand can do snouts out.